I'm going to tell you a huge frustration of mine. You want to have an outdoor entertaining space, you build a beautiful big deck for family and friends to enjoy, and then after a year, your deck looks run down, bleached out, it looks terrible. And that is not good for his manicure. If you don't want to be constantly resealing your deck, think about the climate you're in, think about how you're using it when you choose your materials. Most people want to save money and they'll just put in regular wood boards. But what happens after you have a whole year of seasons and snow and sun hit it? There you go, it's cracked, it's rotten, it looks faded, it looks terrible. That's what's gonna happen. What could you possibly do? Oh, a composite product, you never have to sand it, never have to reseal, and it's gonna stand up to everything. You can just spray it down with a hose. Hold on a second, I say composite. That's because you're a fancy pants. Composite. Whether you're a fancy pants like Drew or somebody like me, you want to spend time enjoying the deck, not constantly breaking your back trying to repair it. What I love about this product is it looks slick.
It will always have that fresh new look. It comes in multiple finishes, looks very natural, easy to clean, and you can also get hidden fasteners for some of these products too.
And look how much better that is for his manicure. It's lovely. So, what would you rather do? Sip Mai Tais out here or reseal the deck constantly?
I'm more of a virgin mojito kind of guy.
You would be. Actually, I'm a beer guy myself.